Hello guys, we're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 1997 guys. The given question is for a database relation R A comma B comma C comma D where the domains A B C D include only atomic values. Okay, only a single value. Only the following functional dependencies and those that can be interned from them hold. So A implies A will from A we can find C, from B we can find D. Okay, so now the relation is in. Okay, so they are asking about normal forms. Okay, that's very good. Okay, so now they are saying A, B, C and D are the columns or the domains in the particular table, and they clearly give that the dependency is from A to C and B to D. So now what is on the left hand side, guys? So on the left hand side we are having a C and a D. Okay, so now what is the thing that is not available? So A and B are not available. So let us try to find the closure of A and B. So from A and B we can directly get A and B. From A I can get B. From B I can get D. So indirectly AB is nothing but the candidate key, super key as well as primary key, right? Yes. So now we need to find which normal form does this belongs to. So by observation what we can say, guys, so AB is the candidate key, right? Yes. So once we find candidate key or super key, you are going to check whether A and B are candidate keys or not. No, right? So with that understanding, I think we can say that this is not BCNF, right? Yes. So now moving on, A and B are a part of these two values, right? So this is a part of a key and this is a part of a key. So now once you understood that these two are part of keys, so now check on the right hand side. So on the right hand side, these two should be prime attributes, guys. So what are prime attributes? So prime attributes in this case are nothing but A and B, and non-prime attributes are nothing but C and D. So to be clear, what is a prime attribute? Prime attribute is nothing but the part of the key, right? Yes. So indirectly these two are not part of the key, hence this does not belong to 3NF. Okay, and similarly this is a non-prime attribute. So if you recall, prime attribute are part of key to non-prime attribute will also fail 2NF, right? Yes. So with that conclusion, we can say that this particular thing belongs to 1NF, guys. Okay. So option A is the correct answer. Got it? Yes. It's a quite easy question. It's a direct question based on the normal forms, guys. Right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this, right? How exactly we are solving them, right? Okay. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay. Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.